Hey guys, so I was trying to buy another silver package, but it said that I had reached. It said that I reached my limit, so I can't do it anymore. So now we're just gonna go shopping, I guess. Okay. So I guess I'll buy another silver package next week because I only have $11 left in my Visa gift card because I put 40 in it. So yeah, now I can't buy another um summer package because yeah. I can't give the another. So yeah. Oh, also I'm gonna go shopping with Katie Moss 2005. Oh. She. Oh, also we bought the same thing. I don't know if y'all watched my last video, but we both bought one with the Star VIP and 96K. Wow, that's a lot. Ooh, wow. I'm gonna give Jessie Loves Cool another green. I spent like 75 diamonds on her. But, you know, she really needs help, so. But first, I'm gonna give it to my best friend, Katie Moss 2005, because she totally deserves it. And 16, so I'm exactly 100 diamonds. I don't know. She does keep giving me autos, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her one, but I can't. And I try my best to help her. That's giving her another 7,000 fame, hopefully. Great. And before this, I had 167 diamonds already, so it gives me empathy. Thank you so much. No problem. So I'm gonna empty this. And I reached farther than I wished for, so I'm really happy about that. I'm only 265K. 265? Oh shit. I doubt I was gonna reach it, but I got rid of 300K, so I'm happy. Because before that, I was like in the middle, and I overreached like 3 numbers. Oh my god! I told her not to give me one. I was giving her one just because she totally deserved it. Oh my god. Why'd you give me another one? Why did you Oh my god, I cannot believe it! She gave me another one, you guys. She's so... I want to get rid of this. $896K. I need people to give me autos. Oh, I think you got autos. Yeah, so I reached farther than I expected, so I'm really happy about that. Oh, okay. She is like so cuckoo. I'm about to give her another one. This girl right here needs to stop giving me. Yeah, that's a true fan right there, right there. So I only have 4. No. I am going to unfriend her if she gives me another one. Oh, 239. So close. 230. This girl really. Oh, she is so. Okay, I'm gonna give her one more. And then I'm gonna be like, I'm lying to her. I have 2 minutes left. And she gives me another one, cause literally she gave me we gave each other like greats back to back, honestly. And I'm at like 71 diamonds. Again, I don't care about my diamonds. I don't care about my diamonds. I care about my money more. Also, Caleb would probably be getting like. Let's see. She was only at like 86 diamonds, so she probably only has like 5 diamonds left. She has 52k already. Wow. I was like emptying my piggy bank like back to back. I want to buy another symbol packet because I know she's gonna give me another greet, and then I'm gonna have to give her another greet, and then I probably won't even have enough money anymore. But I'll get bored if I wait. I have 1 minute left. $85k. Oh my god. I wish I had 85k left. I'm so happy. Lucky. I'm off now. She has 22 diamonds, you guys. She spent all her diamonds on me. And I spent like all my diamonds on her, but I'm not even tripping because because like she's so cool. Y'all really need to go at her. She's just, oh my god. But I have a lot of money now, so yay. I care about my money more than I care about diamonds, as y'all already know. Yep, you should. By the way, for you guys, if you guys are gonna say like I'm spoiled, no, I actually paid all this with my own money because I worked and then I put it in a gift card. So yeah, I put 40 in here. Now I have $11 left. $11.01. So sad. I want to buy, but instead I reached my limit. I'm so sad. I don't have a lot of money left. I'm gonna try. Fry to them. And yeah, I don't get money handed to me. Like I have to work for like chores around the house. Like I just do those because you know my parents asked me to, so I do it. But they don't give me money, and like I don't understand why parents pay their children to do their chores, Like I think that your children should already know that they have to do it. You know what I mean? Anywho, y'all should definitely go and add me. Anywho, I think she might become my new best friend, but she's taken already, so. All her best friends are taken already, so yeah, I probably can't become her best friend. By the way, one question: how come my Mew is? How come Pump Chicken is not on the level board anymore? By the way, I love Your Living Nightmare. Like, she's like really cool, and I loved her YouTube channel as well. Anywho, we have 12 minutes and 30 seconds in this video. What should we do? What a twin? Sure. I don't know if I'm digging my face. Like, I feel like who is this? I think this is Caitlyn. Oh no, it's not. Hi, hello. No, that sounds too... Hi. Whoa, these like ferocious. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm gonna just make a new outfit. We're gonna go shopping. I miss having 200,000 star coins. I miss having that. So yeah, watch for next video, and I don't think I'll be able to record us. But yeah, see you guys next time. See you guys in the next video, which will probably be after this one finished uploading. Because I'm trying to record videos for back-to-back so that you guys can have videos to watch. Anywho, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!